Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. Friends, in today's video we are just discussing about Wipro last slot coding question with solution guys, and we'll discuss solution in C++ and Python both. Okay, so let's get started guys. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel and if you have not followed this playlist guys, please follow this playlist seriously, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe guys. Don't forget to click bell icon button. Okay, so let's get started guys. And one more thing I just want to discuss with you, if you have not joined our Telegram channel guys, please join. And one more thing, many of you have just muted our Telegram channel, so guys I request you all to unmute our Telegram channel so that guys you just got all updates, hiring plus placement material. Okay, so let's get started guys. So the question is guys this, let me take pen. Huh. Yeah, so question is that the company database online है ना, each character in the string actually guys है ना, few line of question is hidden, I don't know guys, and I have a question image only. Okay, and in that image guys that question is there. Okay, but yes guys I will tell the correct way how to solve that type question. Okay, and in a Wipro guys there is no need to read the question, but guys I have just shown the question. If you want you can read, so your wish, let's see है ना. And without reading the question you can also done the question as seen the test cases. Okay, so let's see guys, the question is very easy. The question is yeah, so in the string represent the product code, the ASCII value of the product code represent the sale count of the product. The company wishes to find out the total sale guys, total sale count of n desired of n and desired product. The total sale count of desired product is a sum of ASCII value of occurrence of that desired product guys. Okay, in the string s, if a if a product particular product occurs k time guys, k time. Okay, in the string then its ASCII value is added k times while calculating the total sale count. Okay, the question is write an algorithm to find help the company find out something count the desired end product. Okay, so got getting guys question means guys you have one string. Okay, just an example, this question says you have one string. Okay, and you have a n products, as they told guys count of n products, the n desired products, so you have a n products. Okay, and in that n products guys, in the n products you have a some alphabets. Okay, particular product occur k time, you have a some product means, just an example, this one is our string and you have a some product, just an example abc. Okay, and you need to find that product k times है ना, how many times this a is present in the given string. Okay, and that type after that you need to sum of the ASCII values, you need to sum. Okay, you need to add all the ASCII code for that. For example, a is coming in one time, so 1 is at 65, b is coming one time 66, c is coming one time 67. So you need to add this all the digits, and whatever the output is there, that is your answer. Okay, so that is the question behind it. Let's discuss next thing. So the input is basically guys, the first line of the input consists of string sale representing the daily sales of company. Okay, string. The second line of input consists of integer size of representing the number of product code shortlisted by the company. The third line input n consists is a space separated character, means guys, as I told, just an example, a b c d e, we have a string and we have one number, that is 2, and we have some product. Okay, product code we can say this a and b. Output is guys print the integer representing the total sale count. And in the next line guys, okay, sorry, so yeah, so in the next guys we have the character in the product code are always unique, means guys whatever value is provided in the third line, and that is always unique value, unique code. Okay, let's move to next guys, let's see the input and output. So just an example, we have this given string guys. Okay, and we have a n number and n space separated values, and space separated values are given, right? Let's see the next guys. Okay, and first of all guys, as I told, in a Wipro no need to read a question. Why I am saying that thing? Because guys, in a Wipro we have a explanation, and with the help of explanation, if you have a capability to understand the question guys, you can easily understand the question. Okay, with the help of explanation. Okay, so let's see guys, we have a string, okay, and 3, and we have a products a, capital A and small b. So let's do one by one. So what is our task, guys? Our task is we need to take a first character or first the value. Just an example, A. The ASCII code of A is nothing but 97, and we need to count. We need to count, guys. This A how many times is coming in this given string. How many times A is represent in the given string means 2 times. So 97 multiplied 2, we got 194. Clear? Next we have a capital A, that is 65. 65 how many time 65 is there? Only a single time, so that's why the output is 1, means 65 is there. Next we have a small b. Small b how many time repeated? 3 time. So we got capital, sorry, small b is nothing but a 98. Yes, of course, 3 equal to, we got 294. And finally, guys, we just add this all the numbers and we'll get 553. So that is the question, guys. Getting, that is a question, guys. That is very easy. Let's move to code, guys. Okay, and we'll discuss code in C++ as well as in Python. Don't worry about it, guys. We'll discuss code in both languages. Okay, so let us discuss first of all code in a C++. Let me write here. First of all, we discuss the code C++ here, and on the right side we'll discuss in the Python. And don't worry, guys, na, we'll make a code in a IDE as well. Don't worry about it. Okay, Python 3. So let us see. So first of all, guys, let us discuss in a Python so that you can implement the logic in C++ as well. That is good approach. Okay, so let's see. Sorry, just wait, 1 minute. Yeah, हाँ अब सी है, ठीक है, चलो देखो. So what was I am saying कि in a Python, just an example, in a Wipro, guys, we need to write a whole code. ठीक है, there is no built-in function is there till now. We need to write a whole code. ठीक है, so let's see. First of all, first we need to take a string. So s equal to input. Okay, we have take a string. Next we have a n input, n equal to int input, that is a n number shows. And next line, in the next line, guys, we have a list of character, we can say, or array of character, or we can take a character one by one. It's our wish, right? So I am taking a list. Clear? Just an example, a equal to list of map of, like that. I will write whole code in a id. Don't worry, just try to understand the pseudo code right now here. Okay, so what was I am doing, guys? I am just taking a for I in a. For I in a, whatever the value of a is nothing but our product code, a b है ना, और capital A, right? That is our product code. This is a 3 and this is our lengthy string. ठीक है, now in that one, guys, what I am doing, I am just searching. ठीक है, what was I am doing? I am just taking a variable p equal to a dot count. What I am counting? I. Okay, then, guys, what I am doing, I am just taking s variable s equal to what, guys? Whatever the ASCII code of I. So how to find ASCII code in Python? ORD of I. Okay, multiply with p. Okay, and I will add this as in a answer. As in a answer, yes. Okay, so we'll got our final answer, and here we just print directly answer. Clear? So that is the code for Python, guys. Let's discuss the code in a Python, then we'll move to C++. Those who not know the Python, just skip this Python part and just directly move to C++ code. Okay, and those who know the C++, just wait, guys, we'll discuss C++ code as well in the video. You can directly go to the C++ duration, yeah, at time. Okay, so चले देखते हैं. सबसे पहले, first of all, let's discuss code in a Python. Then we'll discuss the complete code, guys. Complete code we will discuss in today's video. Don't worry about it, because many of you are saying, sir, you are not said the full code. But don't worry, guys, I will tell whole code in this video. So let me choose the Python right now here, guys. So let's see one by one. So first of all, guys, okay, this is my ID. So let me take a first of all, we need to take a string. So s equal to input, as I told. Next we need to take a integer, int integer. Yes. Okay, next thing, we need to take a list. Means in a single line we need to take a multiple character, right? That is our product code. So a equal to list of map of into comma input dot split split. Okay, so we have done with input method. So now, guys, for I in a. Clear? Now in that one, I am just taking up an answer variable for storing the answer. P equal to, guys, what was I am doing? I just count a dot count of, yes, I was just count how many times how many times I is there in a given string. What is I? What is the value of a? A is nothing but a guys like a small a or small b, right? What is this? This is nothing but a 3, right? As we have seen in a test case, and that is a some string a b like that string. Okay, bbc like that, just an example. Okay, so next thing is guys, what I am doing, a equal a dot count of I. After that we just take a temp variable, no problem, and in that one, in a p guys, in a p we have a count of character. Okay, count of character, we have a count of character. Clear? In the next line, temp equal to, what I am doing, I am just converting, I am just taking a ASCII code of the alphabet and multiply with p guys. Okay, after that I will do answer equal to or answer plus equal to, both are same guys, answer equal to answer plus temp, and in the last will print the answer. Let us check what is the output for that guys. I am just running this code. Let's see the output. So first of all, we have a one string. So let me check the string guys from here. Okay, let me show you as well. So the string is, let us move on the string. In the input one, we have a string is small a capital ABC. Let's see. Sorry, yeah. So we have just wait, I'm going here, and we have a string is small a capital A B. Yes, then we have a, just wait, I'm just checking, capital D F. Yes, capital D F. So yeah guys, so I have just written that string in a copy pen and paper. So let's see guys, the string is basically small a capital A, we have a B C capital D B F D A B. Okay, and then we have a 3 as a integer. Okay, and after that guys, we have a small a capital A or B small a capital A or small b. The answer is guys, we got some error based on, okay. Actually, I have done one error, that is integer है ना. Here I need to write a string guys, because we are giving a character na. Okay, or in place of str guys, you have one another method. We can simply do how, we can simply write input dot split split. No worries, let's see. Okay, so let me run this code again, and our string is guys a is capital A, B C capital D B F D A B. Then we have a 3, then we have a small a capital A or small b. Okay, okay, so guys, we got 260. Clear? Sorry guys, I have done a one mistake in that question here. What mistake I have done, I have just checked. Okay, the answer is 522 na, not 260. So the guys, I have done one mistake, that is in place of this na a, in place of a, we need to count from the first a string, right? So in place of a, I need to write what guys, s. Okay, sorry for that error guys. Okay, let me run now guys this code. Okay, sorry है ना. So let's see guys, actually I have not written the code. Okay, I have directly shown in this video. Okay, so b, then we have a f d a b, then after that we have a 3, then we have a small a capital A or b. Yes, we got 553 as a output guys. Clear? We got 553 553. Okay, clear guys. The I hope this question is clear to everyone. Okay, I have do two mistake. First mistake is guys, I need to take a str in place of int in a map, right? And the next thing is guys, in place of a, here I'm writing a, and at that time it's count on this string. A means a one time, capital A one time, small b one time, that's why it's give 260, I approx 200 kuch. Okay, so we need to count from the s first input na, that's why. Okay, so no worries guys, the question is done. Okay, if you want you can check with another test case, just make by yourself, no problem. Okay, so this question is done in Python guys. So let's move this code in a C plus plus. So in a C++ guys, code is totally same, but only we need to implement one count function. How to do? Let's see guys, no problem. So let me go on IDE, sorry, on this screen. So let us discuss C++ code, how to make that. Okay, so yeah, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस सिमिलरली वी नीड टू टेक अ इनपुट्स, ठीक है। तो इनपुट के लिए हम लोग डायरेक्टली एडिटर पे देख लेंगे, नो वरीज। सो लेट्स implement direct logic. So for implement guys, I am just taking one int function that name is count alpha. I am making a one count alpha function and it take a string, it take a string s, and in that string है ना, and it will again take one character, it will take a character that is just an example p. It will take a two arguments for counting how many times a given character is repeated in that string, ठीक है। and in that one guys we just take a for loop, and with the help of for loop we just count and it will return, ठीक है, it will return the count, clear। we will implement the whole code in a C++, don't worry, just try to understand the logic, what logic we are just implementing, ठीक है। in a main body guys, what we are doing in a main body, first of all we just take a input, we'll discuss in a id, no worries। and after that guys, after that we just take a for loop for I, sorry, for I equal to 0, yes of course। and guys I does not equal to null character we can take, or या फिर we can take a I is less than, ठीक है। we'll take a loop यार, loop is much better as compared to other things, no worries, ठीक है। so not I equal to 0 वाला, वो वाला loop नहीं, के कौन सा I equal to 0 वाले लेने वाले हैं, कहाँ तक चलाएंगे, बट हम इसको नोट नल वाली कंडीशन तक नहीं चलाएंगे, हम चलाएंगे इसको n तक, एंड देन I प्लस प्लस। आफ्टर डेट गाइस, आफ्टर डेट अब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे अपना वही लॉजिक लग देंगे, ये वाला पूरा, these three lines we will put here in a C++, sorry, yeah, clear। so let's see how to solve this type of question in a C++। so I am going to on my id again, and let's see। so first of all I'm just check C++, and let's start making the code, hash include, we have a one header file that is name is iostrem, just pause the video and try by yourself once guys, using namespace, or I can do one thing, I can refresh this and automatically it will put some by default code, ठीक है। so now let's see guys, we got this basic C++ code, right। so let's see guys, first of all we just make up one function as I told now in a starting। so let us see, so we have a int count alpha, ठीक है। count alpha name is there and string is the one str variable, ठीक है। we have a s variable is a string and we have a integer a, or no we have a character na, we have a character c, ठीक है। and in that one guys we have some functionality like we are just taking a answer equal to 0, ठीक है, and that is a integer type, ठीक है, that is a int type, clear। in the next thing guys we have just for loop for int I equal to 0, ठीक है, and guys s of I does not equal to null character guys, ठीक है, null character, and then I plus plus। then after that we just check if what condition I need to put guys, s of I, yes, equal to c, at that time we will increment in the answer, will increment in the answer and will directly return answer, clear। so that is our simple count function is there yaar, है ना, nothing is big, ठीक है। just pause the screen and try to understand this code, this is basic a simple counting function, means if the this c is equal to any of character of this string, it will answer, it will increase the value of answer by 1, ठीक है। let us move to in a main body, in a main body we need to take a one string for s, and we have a yeah, character, and character we just take a variable, we have a integer n variable, ठीक है, right now, and remaining will take later, ठीक है, remaining variables guys will take later, no problem, ठीक है। so let's see how to write in a main body। so first of all guys what I am doing, इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे करते हैं, अभी सही है, ठीक है, अब अच्छा लग रहा है। so yeah, so what was I am doing guys, first of all we have a scene, and we need to take a first string is there, then we have a and variable is there, then we have a guys what, we have a for loop, right, and for, and int or we can say int k equal to 0, k is less than equal to n, then k plus plus, ठीक है। and here we are just putting our input scene, what input I need to write guys, for small a capital A and that one, are you remembered, है ना, आपको याद होना चाहिए वो चीज, तो हमने यहाँ से कैरेक्टर लिया, यहाँ से c, clear guys। now guys after taking a c character I am performing the operation here only, ठीक है, this loop is executed 3 times, correct, okay। so let's see guys what we have done, what we have done in a previous logic, in a previous logic, guys, let's see. Okay, in that one, same logic I am just putting in a Python. So what we have done, guys, first of all, we take a one variable a dot count of I, means we just count the I in a how many times that character coming in the string, right? So let's see how to write in this line in a C++. Okay, so see, so first of all, we need to take some variables. So here I am just taking a one answer variable that is equal to 0, and let's take some more variable, temp1 comma temp2 comma temp3. Just an example, you can take any variable, no problem. Okay, so now here I am just taking p equal to count alpha of first argument is our string, guys, and another one is character. So first string is there, that is s, comma character is nothing but a c. So it will return whatever the count of the character, it will return count of character. Okay, and in the C++ we have a comment option. Okay, now next thing, we need to convert that in an integer, right? So for in a C++, guys, no need to do a typecasting. If you writing 1 plus p, it will return the whatever the ASCII of that. Okay, so what was I am doing, if I just want we have a count of p, right? Now first of all, we have a temp1, just an example, temp1 is there. Okay, एंड इक्वल टू, वी आर जस्ट यूजिंग टाइप कास्टिंग, यूज कर लेते हैं एक बार, कि नहीं करें, नहीं करते, अभी ऐसे चला के देखते हैं, अगर एरर आया तो हम टाइप कास्टिंग यूज कर लेंगे। ठीक है, चलो, p मल्टीप्लाई व्हाट गाइस, वट एवर द वैल्यू इज रिटर्न, सॉरी वट एवर द वैल्यू ऑफ c। ठीक है, एंड लेट्स डू द टाइप कास्टिंग एज वेल यार। ठीक है, आई थिंक इन द सी प्लस प्लस वी आर डूइंग टाइप कास्टिंग लाइक दैट। ठीक है, इफ एनी एरर वी विल डिस्कस, नो प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, आई थिंक वी आर यूजिंग सी हेयर, है ना? Actually, I'm not 100% sure because I have not used this typecasting since 3 to 4 years. Let me show you C++ typecasting. ठीक है, let's see in a 1 minute, and Java point, and we have a typecasting. Okay, first we have a integer and we need to write like a C. Okay, let's see one more example. It's a give the character, no worries, where a equal to num, no worries, no worries. Yeah, int of that, yeah, I am writing correct, I think. ठीक है, we'll discuss if any error is there, no problem. ठीक है, the next thing is, guys, we have a answer equal to answer plus temp1. ठीक है, and in the final we just see out our answer variable, guys. Let us try once, if any error is occur we will discuss, no problem, because this thing I have not used since 2 to 3 years, that's why I not 100% remember. Okay, I am just working in a Python, that's why. Okay, C was not declared, no worries, so let us discuss C here. Okay, yeah, okay, P also not declare, yeah. Oh, let me declare the P as well. Okay, so let's see, first input is, guys, our string, that is a, capital A, B, C, D, B, F, D, A, B. ठीक है, next thing we have a 3 and A, capital A, and B. Yes, 5 press enter, we got 553. क्लियर है, डन है, सही करा था मैंने, गाइस, मतलब कुछ तो याद था यार, बढ़िया। अभी भी थोड़ी सी प्लस अपन को याद है, चलो, अच्छा लगा जान के मेरे को। ठीक है, सो गाइज वी हैव डन दिस कोड। if same question is coming, you can simply copy paste this code, guys, because this code is already submitted in that last slot, but that code in a Python. I have just convert the Python code in a C++ because I know C++, Python. Okay, except Java. ठीक है, Java नहीं आती, you can convert this code in a Java, because if you know Java, then if you know C++ and Java, then you can easily convert C++ code in Java. Simple sa. You need to do one thing, you need to just change this input method in Java. ठीक है, so that is the code behind this question, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, और वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो guys वीडियो को लाइक करके बताइए, और how many of you are excited for next lecture, how many of you are excited for next lecture, and yeah, so if you have not subscribed, yeah, please subscribe, yeah, because videos take a lot of time for making, lot of effort we need to give in their single video, or already, guys, 9K plus people have already watched this playlist. You can also try once, guys, because this will very helpful for your Wipro exam. ठीक है. And if you have not watched our last video, just try to watch that video, है ना. Updated syllabus, if you really want to know the syllabus and exam pattern, you can simply go and check out this. ठीक है. सो इस वीडियो के लिए इतने फ्रेंड्स. विल मीट ऑन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. और इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब, प्लीज यार सब्सक्राइब. एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट जॉइन अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल, प्लीज ज्वाइन. आई विल शेयर दिस होल द पीडीएफ विद सॉल्यूशन, है ना, इन अ ग्रुप, in a telegram group, so that you can directly download that pdf from there, guys. ठीक है. So it's all about today's video. We'll meet on next video. जब तक के लिए क्या, थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वाचिंग दिस. टेक केयर, बाय बाय. और लेट मी नो गाइस, है ना, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर एक्साइटेड फॉर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ठीक है. सो विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस. if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to click bell icon button here. Okay, so take care, bye bye.